IRS filling out your tax forms, it would be disastrous. Here's why. They've estimated it takes about 6 billion hours for taxpayers to get their returns done and get them to the IRS. So on paper, this seems like a pretty good idea. And since a large majority of the forms that you have, actually the IRS has also, they could just do the return for you, tell you how much you owe, send a letter to you, and you could consent that it's right or wrong. But letting that tax agency that is actually responsible for the government to collect as much money from you as possible for the revenue of the government seems like a conflict of interest when you're going to rely on them to tell you how much their deductions are, expenses, and other things that they might not have. So about 14 million returns were sent out by the IRS last year, and 6.2 of those were contested. It takes nearly 200 days to get any math error corrected, and that's kind of iffy on that side too. If you want to call the IRS, about 282 million people tried last year, and 250 million didn't get served. That means that only 11% actually got helped on those lines. And if you're dealing with a child tax credit error this year, for those letters they sent out, good luck. There was a lot that had problems, but yet no one can get a hold of anybody to solve it. So yeah, it might be a pain to go ahead and do your own taxes. Well, I would advise having somebody else do them for you, of course, but if you want to do them yourself, yes, it takes a lot of work. But I would not rely on the IRS to get them right for you, because they have traditionally shown they can't do that right either. Stay tuned for more tax tips, and I'll keep you in the know.